How to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. If any day your Snapchat is temporarily disabled, just follow the steps. First of all, you have to tap on Snapchat for a while and go to the option of app information. After that, you have to go to the option of notification and enable the allow notification. And then you need to go to the option of permission and you need to allow the camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notification, phone, photos and videos the permission. After that, you need to go to the option of storage and you have to check whether there is any cache or not. If there is any cache, you have to go to the option of clear cache and then you have to go to the option of app details and store. After you tap on app details and store, your very application will be opened in the Google Play Store. And if there is any update, you have to tap on the option of update and this way your very application will be updated in the Google Play Store. And after waiting until your application is updated or not, you have to close the very Google Play Store. After closing the Google Play Store, you have to go to the option of the Google Chrome. After going to the option of the Google Chrome, you have to search there Snapchat support. After you tap Snapchat support there and after you search Snapchat support there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of Snapchat support. After you tap on the option of the Snapchat support, you can see an interface like this. You have to wait for a while until the Snapchat support interface appears. After that, you can see an interface like this. You can see various kind of options out there. Now you have to go to the option of my account is locked. After tapping on the option of my account is locked, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of my account has been temporarily locked. After you tap on my account has been temporarily locked, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the next option out there. You have to scroll it and after scrolling you can see an interface like this and you have to go to the option of submit a request. After you tap on the option of submit a request, you can see the next interface, which is the interface like this, and then you have to tap on the next option, that is I can't access my account. After tapping on I can't access my account, you can see the various kind of options out there. You just need to tap on I can't access my account and then the next options such as I think my account was compromised, I forgot my password, and all of these appears. You have to tap on my account is locked. After that, you can see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the option of account site. After you tap on the account site option, you can see the next interface like this. Now here you would have to pass on all of your passwords there. You have to tap on your email and your phone number out there. So if you see the interface, you have to wait for a while because it may be your internet connection problem for it to be a little late. It may be your data connection or your Wi-Fi connection. And when the interface like this appears, you need to tap your username or email out there and then go to the option of next and your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, do subscribe our channel.